Hello everybody, this is Dr. Cole. It's late Saturday night, September 16th, and we're now entering week 5 of Political Science 1013 for the fall 2023 term on the first 8-week schedule. Okay everybody, we're getting this out late Saturday, expecting that most of you will see it on Sunday the 17th with our second exam, exam 2, our midterm exam coming up Monday, September 18th. This will be in the same format as exam 1, 50 items, true, false, and multiple choice. The material this time is over units 3 and 4, the class notes for units 3 and 4 on the media and on the Constitution. 3 things you've been asked to look at in addition to that, to be accessed online. Have a lengthy article from the Washington Post about problems with American democracy related to the Constitution. Okay, so that's the lengthiest thing you have to read among your outside readings. You have an article about your constitutional rights that touches on the incident involving actor Alec Baldwin, who was involved in is being prosecuted in the wake of an accident on a film set involving a firearm. Some of that many of you will have heard of, I'm sure, because Alec Baldwin is so well known. This relates to some of the things we mentioned in our message entitled Unit 4 Links, touching on some video clips you could look at pertaining to your constitutional rights, things everyone needs to know in case they ever become involved with law enforcement. And the article about Alec Baldwin is very closely related to that. Then finally you have a short article to look at about trust in news media in the United States and around the world. So you have those 3 things to look at in addition to the class notes for units 3 and 4. And that's the material for your exam this Monday, the 18th. 50 items, multiple choice, and true, false. You'll have 45 minutes to take that. Anytime over the course of 24 hours on Monday, the 18th. Many of you will be seeing this on Sunday, the 17th. The exam will take place on Monday, the 18th. Then after that, everybody, we begin our material for exam 3, which is coming up on September 30th. That'll be a Saturday, I believe, Saturday, September 30th for exam 3. And the material there will be units 5 and 6. Okay, we'll say more about unit 6 next time. Unit 5 has to do with the presidency. Okay, the office of president, not just the president himself or herself, but the bureaucratic apparatus around the office of president. We discuss several recent presidents, going back to President Carter, through George W. Bush, Obama, Trump, and Biden. We talk about different things the president is expected to do, or roles that the president is expected to play. We discuss what the Constitution has to say about the president and the office of president and presidential powers, especially with regard to military intervention, the use of military force in wartime and short of war. One thing the Constitution does try to lay out is the process for electing the president. We spend quite a bit of time on that. Of course, we're just around the corner from our presidential election, just over a year away. We talk about how the president wields power, resources that the president has to draw upon. If, for instance, the president is working on Congress, trying to get Congress to go along with a bill that the president wants passed. Then finally, we talk about the White House staff, the executive office of the president, some of the people who were put in place to help the president, such as the White House Chief of Staff, the White House Press Secretary, the organization of the White House, different bureaucratic units within the executive office of the president that are there to assist and advise the president. So the presidency is more than just the president, him or herself. All right, that then is Unit 5 that you'll be looking at after you take the exam on Monday the 18th. And then we'll cover Units 5 and 6 for Exam 3 on the 30th. We'll have more to say about Unit 6 on the federal bureaucracy next time. In the meantime, study hard for the exam on Monday the 18th. Contact me in case of any difficulties. Everyone should have those articles by now, in addition to the class notes from Units 3 and 4. So we move on to Unit 5 after the exam on Monday the 18th. Contact me in case of any problems, any issues, questions, or problems that may arise, and we'll be talking to you once again about a week from now at this time.